Okay, so this is us on our aircrete home pad, putting the sewer and drain system in. It's going in this trench, and this trench goes down, 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 way down, to a hole that's essentially about 16 feet deep from here, but from the drain field out, it's about 8 feet deep. Dean, what are you doing? You want to operate? Well, you know what they say.
Kitties don't operate.
No, they say curiosity killed the cat. That view behind you, that's good.
Yeah. And look how strong I am. I can hold this with one finger.
Wow. Hey babe, you want to help me put the track back on the track hoe? Why are you shaking your head?
Because in my entire life, I never once thought
Papa, are you doing the best?
Get the track
Yeah, as you can
back
see.
on the track hoe.
Yep.
Okay, watch your hand or you're gonna, if it slips, you'll hit your thumb on that. So ratchet it down a little more. And let's pull on it. So I'm taking the threads just a little bit past the edge of where the concrete will be. And then I'll lock it in place on this side. I could do 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, but you get up to 5/8 and I can't do that. These are screed rails, and so I just was using whatever I had on hand, and so I welded up some stakes that I could bolt to them and then put them in place so that we could use them when we pour our slab to rest it and guide the screed.
So, can you tell me about your eye?
It's looking a lot.
I have a crazy eye.
A nettle piece. Well, a nettle no piece went into my dad's eye, so basically that's how he got stabbed in the eye.
In my defense, I was wearing my eyeglasses, my prescription ones. They don't have the nice little shields around the eyebrow and around the sides. I just wanted to grind something real quick, and a really hot shard got stuck in my eye. By the time we got to the doctor, I had blinked it out, and everything was fine, except for I had a cut in my eye that kept bleeding. And so that's how I got this red eye.
It does.
And I won't do that again.
Hold on a second, Darwin. Are you out of breath?
Oh no. I could do this all day. Yeah. Okay. What are you smiling about?